actually, could you show me the file that you copied the video that I made? Let me check the file. Okay, you don't even have to do it. Ask
So, director, Nanoka Race director, I will comment you during 15 minutes, team by team, because we are almost at the end of the race. I comment you what you see team by teams. It was a hard competition, a hard day, hard night, and we are just at the end of the race. You see now on the top left corner the trajectory of the Toulouse molecule with its four wheels, its two front and back protector, and on the track. And this is the nicer, for me, even I'm from Toulouse, this is the nicest one. And you see the molecule moving back and forth, trying really step by step to be moved along the track. But they target down a specific track, but this one was lost. They call it Titin 2. This molecule was lost in the middle of the night, and they try again to find another one, which is on the screen now. But they were very disappointed by this. But by the way, they continue. Corentin, the pilot, principal pilot, and Sébastien, the co-pilot, still wants to continue, and they try to learn a lot of things, but still about this molecule. While the molecule is, for example, rotating and not going directly, even if she has four wheel. And you see Claire, the synthetic chemist. Gwenaël is not there at the moment. He must be there in a minute. Maybe he's tired too. He's going to terminate nap. And it was fantastic to see, and really something for all the team. All the team seems to continue, even if they are on the screen and on the molecule, since even if the official start was at 11, since 8:30 yesterday. So it's a fantastic adventure for all of them, and they still to be completely inside the molecule, and they try to continue to move. So maybe you can pass to a second team, please, just to comment. We go another one. This is one which was at the beginning was the favorite team, and they get a lot of troubles. This was the sequence recorded at the training with the four paddle or four wings molecule running very fast, and they get a lot of trouble in the preparation, and they ended at the end with this triple paddle molecule. You see how they prepare, moving here during 2 days before the race. They bring the molecule, prepare the track, trim the track as it was anticipated, and at the end, finally, due to the crash of the Japanese team, they crash also, and they just record this one moving 11 nanometer, and after molecule decomposed, and they never recover any motion of the molecule. They try a lot. This is really this team is fantastic. Justus here, Francesca here, and normally they have Frank on the right, and they are still continuing to move. In fact, remember they have only 2 hours to go more, and they continue. Maybe they will try. They are 11 now. They will maybe try to beat the Ohio team, which has succeeded to move with a lot of troubles 38 nanometer. So again, this is the record trajectory. They move 11 nanometer, and after they crash. If we can, yes, we can go to the Swiss team. The Swiss team, this is you see it. Tobias and Rémi are back. This is the trajectory of the Swiss team. The Swiss team is this small molecule here. We see moving, talk. So they prepare it. Now they start on the track they have selected, and they move step by step along the track, one by one. Take care. They went a long track. So if they went a long track, this means that we have to follow step by step. The track is gigantic, so we try to represent the track. This is Tobias, the co-pilot, which is very young and very active. He's very and Remy also, and together, and they still continue. This is fantastic also. I think they want to go in fact, they cross the line on the goal surface. They were the first to cross the line on the goal surface about yesterday evening about 6:30, and they continue. Even if they make a little break during the night because they were okay. They want to continue to run, and you see the molecule going down and down, step by step, and by jump. Remember, it's forbidden to push the molecule. You just have to feed it either by electric field or by a little tuning current. And so you have some obstacle around, and molecule lost. They bring another one up. A new one is chosen, and after they bring it there and they start again. Nanoka is lost again. So I comment indirect because this one was just summarize a few minutes ago because it's like hop, wow, fantastic motion, hop, drop, and now again we'll see molecule here, molecule, molecule, plop, molecule moving, and you see the end, and this one is going at the end, top left, and this is the full trajectory performed in black, the starting line, finish line down by the team, the Swiss team, more than 133 nanometers in less than 8 hours. So now we can pass to the another team.
No. You can.
This is the Graz Rice team plus the French guy with Jean-Baptiste Santa Omicron, the constructor of the machine downstairs. Remember that two teams were just remote control, which is fantastic also, from Toulouse to their own lab. So this is Grant, Phil, and also the co-pilot. And you see the chief, or Commander-in-Chief Leo, which is still alive after his night. He's a bit tired, and he's trying to control. I think this team is trying to beat the world record. They are the only one to have it already. And last night, the longest possible run with one molecule, and they're almost trying to beat their own record. It was 0.6 micron this morning, and they try to reach 1 micron now. And on the top left, you have the trajectory of this molecule reconstituted step by step, image after image. Remember that you have to image one by one, and after put it on the large area, and you see molecule just arriving. The rest, the starting point. Leo is also leaving the control seat. He's a bit tired, leaving the control seat, and is going to a bit discuss maybe with Francesca, looking the screen. This is Grant, which is very happy. And I will leave you like that with this team. You see the Japanese team in the back, and maybe the Ohio team. Where is the Ohio team? On the left. You don't see the Ohio team on the left, but you see the Ohio team on the left somewhere. So this team also will win because they arrive first on their STM. They are not running on the Toulouse microscope. I repeat, they were remote control because we want to have all the best people on this race, even in the remote control or on the 4 probe. Okay, so can we have the Japanese team? Because this juicy molecule moving on the Japanese team. So since we're in direct, I'm just waiting for the Japanese team. This is Japanese team here. This is Japanese team again with the principal pilot again. You see Waka, Uyoso and Marek. Marek was hired by the Japanese team to drive. And on the back screen, you see the Japanese molecule. It's like the Dresden team. They are fantastic. They get a big crash. They prepare a lot very well, and they have a lot of technical incidents. And in particular, Dresden and Marek here, concentrating. Even if they want, they are very tired. They continue to run. And this is the Japanese team, which gets a lot of trouble. This is the worst. 2 software crash, 1 motor stops, and molecule lost. And Uyo is trying to show you his own trajectory. Yes, exactly. On trajectory, see, molecule is moving very fast. This is fantastic. But unfortunately, this was the training part. But after the training part, Uyo can Uyo? Okay. Can you push Uyo from the screen? Uyo. Waka. It's a bit disappointed, Waka, because the molecule with a 2-side paddle was fantastic. She's a synthesis chemist of this team, and she's very, very disappointed. And a good smile from Waka, from NIMS, Japan, Tsukuba. You see now on the screen, you see the trajectory estimated to prepare, and after that, unfortunately, Uyo is in front of the screen. He prepared a fantastic video, and is in front of the screen, so you don't see the video of the moving, and Waka disappear also. So I think it's all. I will leave you like that. I think it's all, and there's a time for the Dresden team to appear on the screen and to explain to all of you what they get. Fantastic Japanese team with Uyoso and Waka still active. And see you soon for the last minute of the race.